What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming here with another edition of My Life. So for lunch today, my dad made me one of those frozen taquito meals with like what looks like 3 taquitos. Oh my god, that looks good. This may be messy, but look how good that looks. We got this while we were at Costco that day. And this looks really good, and my dad was right. I don't know what's in the enchilada sauce, but it's really good. It's a bit spicy, as you can tell, but I do like spicy stuff, thanks to my dad's side of the family. My grandma, to be exact, because, as I said in that one video, grandma gave me my first bite of real food when I was just like, my mom said, 2 months old. I thought I was 16 months old when that happened. But this stuff's really good, although the breading for the taquitos isn't that well made. The two in my little bowl thingy here are falling apart. Look how good that looks, though. My God, that's good. Oh, man. I love it when my dad makes stuff like this. Although when he makes it homemade, it's even better than frozen. This isn't just a food review, I'm also reviewing a drink that I've had. Let me actually grab that while I'm here. It's the same bottle I've used for my coffee and stuff, but I reuse the same bottles for a while. But today I got some my dad got a couple of days ago, my dad got those individual A&W root beer packets, and that just happens to be what's in here. Just give me a sec while I get the lid off, and I hope it can put the fire out that the enchilada taquito thing he's made, because those were a bit spicy. Oh man, that was good. Boy, oh boy. Today's been a good day. But yeah, today's been a really good day for me. Well, for the most part. I enjoyed lunch. Thanks, Dad. I enjoyed the root beer that I made yesterday. And I even think and I saw my cats earlier. They weren't here when my brother left the door open to get my chair. Because, well, let's just say my chair had an appointment today and I couldn't go because I had gotten up a bit too late. My brother just thinks it would have been faster to take the chair by itself and not take me, which kind of sucks. But I'm happy to be getting my chair fixed or at least looked at. The tilt action on it is acting wonky, and the there's just a lot going on with that chair. That I freaking love the chair, don't get me wrong, but there's been go check out some of my other videos that involve my wheelchair and you'll see why I'm looking forward to a couple of months after October of 2026. That'll be an interesting day for me. But yeah, I'm your host, Isaac Browett. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I know I sure as hell will. Peace out, y'all.